Hello and welcome to our video on Mayan numerals. Mayan numerals are very similar to our Babylonian numerals, where instead of having different symbols for 100, 1,000, for 10, we just use three symbols. One for 1, one for 5, and something special. The Mayans had a symbol for 0. This is a huge deal. None of the other systems had a symbol for 0. They just showed 0 by not writing anything. But 0 is key to writing large numbers. Think about something like 1,205. The 0 tells me there are no hundreds. And the Babylonians didn't have a 0, and I hope you saw in one of the questions in the preparatory assignment how that was a weakness of the Babylonian numerals, a huge weakness. So we're going to look at Mayan numerals. So Mayan numerals used 5s instead of 10s. So if they wanted to write a number like 17, they would say, oh, 17 is 3 5s and 2 more. Now the Mayans were similar to the Babylonians, so they had a regrouping system, a place value system where they used the same symbols over and over. But they were base 20, or in other words, they moved to a new place value at 20. And unlike the Babylonians, instead of writing it horizontally, they wrote vertically. So let's take a look at some Mayan numerals. So let's look at what's going on right here. Notice we have two place values. The Mayans always put 1s at the top, and since they did things with a line, if you ever saw another line or a dot on a line above, you knew it was the next place value. So this top line is groups of 20. And this is groups of 1, or just 1s. So let's see, I have, for groups of 20 here, I have 5, 10, 15, 16 groups of 20. And then 12 more. So the Mayan, our equivalent to this Mayan number is 320 plus 12, or 332. Now here's where the Mayan numeration system really shines, is on a number like this. Now don't judge me on drawing the Mayan 0, it's not the easiest. The nice thing is I'm not going to judge you very much. So what does this tell us? This tells us we have 0 times 20 to the first, but up here I have 10 times 20 squared, or 10 groups of 20 groups of 20. And this kind of sad face down here represents 7 times 20 to the 0 power. So altogether, this number is 10 times 20 squared plus 0 times 20 to the first power plus 7 times 20 to the 0 power, or just 7 1s. So I end up with 4,000 plus 0 plus 7, which is 4007 in the Hindu-Arabic numeration system that we're used to. In the next video, we're going to do this backwards.